Tagging for Windows is about linking your files and folders with tags. The files and folders may be moved or copied for the purpose of sharing, version control, backup, or something else. It's up to the user what, when, or how this is done. The moving or copying of files and folders can be done by hand or somewhat automated. The same is true for the tags and the links to your files and folders. The tag and link data, not the actual files and folders, can be exported into a TFX file known as dataset. The export can be performed manually every single time, but can be repeated more easily using a batch file. The batch file will call the export with information about the starting point, as well as the resulting TFX file. It is even possible to automate it somewhat more by using the Windows Task Scheduler. Just like before, it's up to the user what, when, and how this is performed. The batch file can help with it.